Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I just want to give you a quick reminder that the Elemis QVC Today's Special Value is out now and it's amazing. So it's worth £220. However, as part of this set, you get it for £79.96 plus P&P. Plus, if you are new to QVC, you can use my refer a friend code, which gets you an extra £10 off, making it like £69.96 plus P&P. That's amazing. So good. Seriously, it's so good. Anyway, let me quickly show you what you get in the box because it's honestly incredible. Also, there are two different fragrances to choose from. I have the Skin Nourishing set. No, that's not true. I don't have the Skin Nourishing set. I have the English Garden set. The Skin Nourishing set is the one I'm gonna possibly buy as well because if it's nice, go twice. Anyway, let me show you what you get. So the first thing is a bath and shower milk. I have the English Garden, which smells like roses, but it's also quite green and fresh. It's really, really pretty. And that's a nice big 300ml tube. Wait, no, that's not a tube, that's a bottle. This is a tube, and this is the next item. This is the body balm, which is gorgeous. It's a 100ml tube. It's really rich, really lovely. In fact, it's so rich you can actually use it as a hand cream. Then moving on to the skincare, we have the Pro-Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. I love this. It's a really lovely foaming gel cleanser, a really good morning cleanse or a really good second cleanse. And then the next item is a Pro-Collagen Super Serum. This is a 15ml tube, which is perfect. Don't you just love a full size? And then the final item is, of course, the Pro-Collagen Marine Cream. This is actually a little bit different. This one is the SPF 30. It's a 30ml tub, and this will last you a good few months, and it's absolutely incredible. This is worth quite a lot of money on its own. I think around £60 alone, which is incredible because that's almost the price of the entire box. And yeah, that's kind of it. It's just such a good set that I wanted to do a quick reminder. The shopping link is below. My refer a friend link is below. I hope you like it as much as I do. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.